Building my website online is not easy. One of the things that I do is I juice. That helps me to stay hydrated, to stay focused and have clarity of mind. I'm going to be showing you a new juice recipe, 6 ingredients. 4 of those ingredients I have never used on camera before. And one of those ingredients I am using to substitute sugar. You want to know what that ingredient is? Stick around to the end and you'll find out. Being consistent in things like juicing, it has helped me to stay grounded, to stay focused. It helps me to turn up every day to be able to grow my website, to write content, to edit videos, to work with clients, to do my coaching. And what I'm going to be showing you today is a powerful recipe that I love. It's going to boost your energy. It's going to help with gut health. It will focus on your digestion. It's going to give you the hydration that you need and the fuel that you need. First thing that we have is callaloo. That is one of the new ingredients. Callaloo is full of iron. It gives you that energy, especially if you know that you're going to be working a really long day. It helps for that. And here you go. Here's some callaloo. I might put a little bit more in actually. Now the next one, the next leafy green is pak choi. Now you all know that this is one of my favorite greens. It gives you so much energy. As I'm drinking it, I'm feeling energized. If I've done like a 2-3 hour editing, I usually get a dip of energy. All I do is I grab my juice, and if it's got pak choi in it, yeah, I'm loving it. Now the next one is a new one. It is strawberries. Now, strawberries are super expensive in Jamaica. At the supermarket that I go to, it's about 3,500 Jamaican dollars for about 10 to 15, maybe 16 strawberries. Drop it in the chat. What's that converted in your local currency? I don't buy strawberries very often. Rainforest was doing a deal with meats and fishes and fruits and vegetables. That's like a bundle. So when I saw fruits, I was like, yeah! So with strawberries, if you're looking for your juice to have a boost, definitely add strawberries. Strawberries is also packed with antioxidants. So these are some frozen ones that I'm going to be using, frozen strawberries. Here you go. So I'm going to pop a few in there. Just the strawberries. I'm not using the other ones. I decided I just want to use strawberries today. Okra. Yes, I said it. It's okra. Now, okra is great for digestion and great for your gut health as well. Now, most people that I know don't really use okra. I'm not like most people. It's frozen. And yes, I just put some water to melt it a little bit. And as you can see, I'm going to be cutting it up and putting it into there. Now, usually I use okra when I want my juice to feel a little bit more thicker. And as you can see, folks, yes, I cut it up raw. You can do that. Trust me, your body will thank you. Now, the next ingredient is bananas. Now, whenever you're feeling hungry, right, and you want to manage how you are eating and how often you are eating, just add bananas to a juice drink or add bananas to your smoothie. Because when you add bananas, typically you're not that hungry afterwards. Well, you're not supposed to be, okay? It's rich and full of potassium. Da-da-da-da! What we've all been waiting for.
Natalie, what is the ingredient that you substitute for sugar?
It is honey. Yes, it's honey. I recently picked this up at the market. It is a natural sweetener. So I'm just going to pour some over like this. La, 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 la. I don't have enough in here. So I'm just going to put a bit more callaloo in here. The leafy green, the earthy green. And I'm going to put a bit more pak choi to give me that energy, that boost, that, yeah, I like to party hard. And strawberries, because, well, you know what? I just like strawberries and I don't get to buy them often because they're so expensive in Jamaica. For my next live that I'll be doing, I'm going to be talking to you about the real cost of living in Jamaica, and stay to the end because I'm going to tell you the next juice recipe that I will be creating. Now, I always add water just to help to thin it out. Take a look at what happens to the blender. It's looking and tasting good. So I'm going to put it on for 1 more minute. Now, do you see that? All right, look at that green. And if you can see the little bits in it, that's the callaloo. Time now to taste it. Oh my goodness. I can taste the banana. I can taste the honey. And the pak choi and kalaloo are mixing and blending so well. This isn't the only thing that helps me to stay energized, to stay focused, to do what I do every day at work. There's something else that also is really important in being able to make sure that you show up every day right. And it's about how you regulate your emotions. Now, here's a video that focuses on the power of EQ. Watch it next. The link is down below. The next live, I'm going to be doing a gut health recipe. I've seen the growth and the performance of a video that I did several weeks ago. So because of that, I'm going to do another gut health. Thank you all for watching. Remember to learn, love, and live. Stay blessed.